Okay, guys, so I just got out the shower. As you guys can see, my hair is a mess, but, I already mentioned that. So we have to do hair. I have to hurry up and get my clothes on so that I can get ready to go to my dentist appointment. I have to be there by 1 o'clock. I think it's like 25 minutes from here. So I have to be out the house within 15 minutes, so let's go. Okay, guys, so I got my little outfit on, and let me show y'all what I'm wearing today. I'm about to get ready to do my hair, but these pants are like, well, let me see if y'all can see. These pants are like super cute. Yes. They're like little joggers, and then they have like this at the bottom. And I'm just wearing my little sandals today. I'll probably post a pic on IG, so if you follow me, Charm D, period. But yeah, I'll probably post a pic up there. I got so many gray hairs right now. I need to dye my hair, and I'm actually getting ready to do a sew-in my hair. I have not done a sew-in in my hair in years, honestly. But I got some hair, so I'm going to go ahead and do that soon. I'm not sure exactly when, but coming soon. So I'm just going to be wearing my curls for probably like a week or two, and then I'm going to go ahead and sew my hair up. I was trying to stay away from it because, once you start getting weave, it be so hard to knock that. Like, you be wanting something different, and it's kind of addictive. So I was trying to stay away from it, but it's calling your girl because I haven't had weave in my hair in a very long time, except for like braiding, braids or whatever. But yeah, I'm about to get back into it, and I actually want to start like doing colors and stuff. So, I just think that it's just best to go into a sew-in because I can't do the wigs because I'm not going to sacrifice my edges. And then on top of that, I really don't like the look of wigs, honestly, in general. So I'm not going to do wigs. I'm just going to do a sew-in and with a little bit of my hair left out. Yeah, so that's that. So I'm just doing my little puff. Like I said, I probably got like 10 minutes to leave out of here so that I won't be late. And actually, I could do it around another time. Yeah, I'm going to do it around another time. I was trying not to make it too tight because I be getting headaches like so easily when I wear my hair up. And I hate that. So yesterday, I did like a little slinky thing. So it wasn't that bad. But yeah, I think this little cute little simple outfit deserves a pic. And I noticed, like, when I wash my hair and then I add gel to it, like, it doesn't, like, flake up and stuff like that. So, I'm going to try to start washing my hair a little more often. Because usually I wash, like, once every 2 weeks, honestly. And that's, like, taking way too long. I used to wash my hair, like, every 3 to 4 days. I think that's what I'm about to start back doing now that I'm wearing a curly because of the buildup from, having gel and all the curly products and stuff. So I think I'm going to actually go back to that. So my hair is almost done. Okay, y'all, let me go ahead and attempt to do a little bit to my face, not much. And then I'll see you guys when we get to the dentist's office. Okay, so I finally made
Turn left.
on time. So I'm gonna happy about that. But what I'm not happy about is the fact that I got makeup on my pants. Anything on my list, because you guys know I'm going to the dentist, so that would be stupid. I couldn't do my brows because I need to get a new brow pencil. I have one, but I'm just over that one. Okay, I had to turn her off, and then my cousin was calling me. But anyway, I'm almost there at this point, but I'm going to go ahead and insert some random footage, yes, random, from the before and after of my new entryway into my home. I came across some issues with trying to cover my water heater. I went through 3 different ideas of possible DIY projects to do it, and all of them were a fail. So that's still there, but nonetheless, the rest of it is really, really nice. Here we go.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Then dip me underway. Fill my flow. Hold me till I scream forever breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby,
Okay, and also here's some footage from me taking the girls to, I took them to a carnival recently, and also mid-summer track season started for Jael, so she did that, and Bunny also ran her first 50-meter dash, my little baby. She actually threw up afterwards because she was eating stuff she wasn't supposed to be eating, but here's the footage right there.
All those along the home stretch, let's make some cheering noises here. Let's go, Bunny! All our young people.
Woo! Let's go, Bunny!
We're inspiring the next generation with runners and walkers right here on Cheney Track. What a beautiful thing.
Go, Bunny! You gotta finish.
Okay, y'all, she was so cute, wasn't she? She did so good. Next week she's gonna run the 50 and the 100. The 100 is just a little longer, but I think she can do it. She loves to run just like her big sister. So yeah, and then I don't even think I gave you guys an update of Jael in track. So she ended the track season in the county and district undefeated in the 4x1, the 4x4, the 400, which is an open event, and the 800. So I'm so proud of my baby. And then for state, she took gold, and she took gold and bronze, 3rd place. Yeah, so shout out to my baby. She did amazing to be 9, running with 9 and 10. I'm super proud of her. So yeah, so I'm gonna pull up to this dental office. Hopefully I can film like a little bit, but after that I have to go pick up Jael from school. Bunny is at daycare today. I try to get her to go to school at least 2 days out the week so that she's still around kids, because she's around so many adults. Even though she's super smart and learning so much with us, I just be needing a break. My husband was like, why you just didn't leave with her sister? Because her sister was out of school today. Y'all know our older daughter is 17, but she's about to graduate, so congrats to her. But yeah, I was like, everybody just need a break. We just need to send her to school, let her be with these kids. And so yeah, that's where she is. So yeah, that's that. Okay, I'm back again, and my teeth are clean. Look at my teeth. Yes. Y'all better make sure y'all taking care of y'all teeth. They always say that my teeth be looking good, but they do tell me this all the time, and I thought that I was just doing like so much better with brushing my gums, but they said my gums was like bleeding. So I do got to get better with brushing my gums, but I be flossing twice a day, and yeah, they look so good. Y'all, I do gotta get a cavity filled, and I'm so sad. I only have 4 cavities. Well, this makes my 4th cavity my whole life. So I thought I was doing good, y'all, but I got one all the way in the back. It's almost like my wisdom tooth because I have all my wisdom teeth in my mouth. Yeah, that's like crazy, but yeah, he said that I have to get it filled, and I'm so glad that got my husband's insurance, because without insurance, like $500. I'm like, So without it, I think it's like $180. So I'm gonna come back in 2 weeks to get it. I'm coming back in 2 weeks to get it filled. So yeah, so I'm happy about that. I have about like 20 minutes to spare. I really want to get my feet polished, but I know I'm not gonna have time, because y'all know every time I go get my feet polished, I be coming out and then they be getting messed up. So I'm not gonna rush into that. I'm just gonna go ahead and go pick up Jael a little bit early, take her to get her some snacks for the day, and just go ahead and head to my store, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay guys, so I made it to work, and yeah, as you guys can see, it's jazz playing, but I just want to give y'all a tour of what's going on right now, so let's go. For this club called the Pink Lion, so that's what I just showed you guys. They have a red carpet out. They're getting ready to do like the big ribbon cutting. I'm not going because tickets was like $150, even for people who have stores here. So I was like, no. But yeah, and I'm not like a big jazz fanatic or fan or anything like that. I do like jazz though. My dad, that's all I listened to growing up in the car. If you want to listen to some music, it had to be jazz. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.